It's going to be good. Oh my god.
I want to sit there.
Swap then. Swap with Olivia? Yeah. That'd be alright, You're going to get wet.
I can't believe it.
No, you've been on that, Sharon, you've been on that.
I know. This side of the park, yeah?
Yeah, it's not an awful lot that side. No, there's not. There's some more for kids that side, yeah. It's that picture tree, yeah.
10 loops.
You'll go on Colossus if you do that. Probably will, yeah. Yeah.
There's
that warm bed.
I know. Maybe you slip.
Thing is, you go up, you go down.
Exactly. I like this.
I don't want to break them. Break what? DVDs, I'll be alright with that.
We could have gone on that now. Look how short.
That's Nemesis. Yeah, we've been on that.
Yeah, I know, but we could have gone on it now.
Sharon's first roller coaster.
I know.
No. Shut some
Look at the view, doesn't it? Like very
Look at that. Do you want to go on that, Olivia?
I think it starts this Saturday, but they keep it open till 10.
You won't like that.
For Friday.
Because you didn't like going upside down on that, so that's always upside down. Yeah, look.
Sideways, then, yeah?
Yeah, but you go upside down.
I'm going on it.
Go down. Oh, no. There we go.
Oh yeah, look, That's Colossus.
Saw this guy.
Oh god, there we go. I'm not.